Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kamara Reaction. How are you guys doing today? So guys, I'm doing another reaction video to RBD. RBD members, I think her name is Dulce and Christopher College himself. I believe this is the song, it's Quiro space Poder Quiero Poder. Don't quote me on that. I'm not gonna sit here trying to butcher their language. I won't do that. I'm gonna go in and out because I really don't know. Does YouTube be quick to block my videos? Like on our time. Give you guys little shoulders today. I really love her right here. Come on, band. Okay. I love the fact that in this song and this performance, it's basically confirmed that she can hold her own. And where is this that they're performing? I think she said Rio. She's in Rio, this is a very different staging from what I've seen so far when they perform live. This is like, look at all those people. Look at all those people. Come on, Chris.
Cierra los ojos, no pienses más. Yo solo entrego mi corazón, mi amor. Deja el dolor. Conocer a alguien con poder de arrebatarme el alma con una mirada que no importe nada. Conocer a alguien con poder de arrebatarme.
The same bandmates. Those two dudes that was playing the guitar and stuff, those are the same bandmates that was in their 2006 Walmart soundtrack. Oh, ooh, our party. Thank you so much for that, Dulce and Christopher, popping up here in that one moment. I love it. That was a very good. It really does show that she can hold her own. This was a very good. That was a very good night song. Such a good job. This staging seems different than what I've been reacting to so far, and I believe she said this was Rio. So very good job. Thanks to the one who recommended me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, I will say this over and over. I have not disappointed with this group yet, which is very good because my peak of interest can switch like this. But I'm very happy with this group. I've loved what the fans are giving me to react to. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know, today I'm giving you guys a little bit of shoulder today because I'm losing back my weight. Yay! Bye, Corona weight. Bye.